I had a dream there was like 5 or 6 of them coming. I'm scared of them, honey. I'd be freaking
You're on video now.
Huh?
You're on sound now, so keep that in mind.
I'm scared.
Just in case this ends up on YouTube, I want to hear you on GD and all. I'm serious.
Did you say that? I don't talk like that. Is that all you can think about? Do you hear this, people? He's saying GDs and MFs.
Technical difficulty, folks.
Me! I'm the technical difficulty. I'm still sick. Well, that was a wild cloud.
Not done yet. Come here, look at this through the screen. Come here. Look at the defined edges on that up there.
Yeah, I don't like the way it's going. Look, it's going further around now too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's like all that's coming in and it's going that way.
I've seen some things that big turn into tornadoes.
Look at it on the watch. I hope it at least gets past us before it gets in there. Come on, Howie. That's that white part.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
Rain. Precipitation coming down. Where that's at, it's raining.
It goes all the way down the ground. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
You really see it good on the pictures. Send this to somebody. Gosh, come on, Howie. Come on, Annie.
Send it to my email. Well, just coffee me on it, honey. Coffee me on it.
I'm not.